Alright guys and gals, welcome to today's wild market trading recap. What a day for a comeback. Alright guys and gals, this volume indicator nailed the perfect long signal from today. And to be honest with you guys, today's trading session was like taking candy from a baby. All right, let's get into it, folks. My name is Mark at DynoTrading. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're a long-term subscriber and customer, then I know you crushed it today, okay? And really what I want to talk to you guys and gals today about is something called the January effect, right? There's this belief among active investors and traders in the market that January is typically a very strong bullish month, right? People are just in a good mood. People want to put their capital to work, and there's only one place right now, and that is to put it in the market. And I don't necessarily know if I personally believe in that theory. I mean, there's so many reasons why this market should be down thousands of points today. I mean, inflation is still at an all-time high. Everything's expensive. People are getting laid off from their jobs left and right. And if you ask me, this world is still kind of a geological disaster. There's wars going on and problems all over the world. So how is it possible that the market rips today? Well, guys and gals, you know the answer to that, right? And that answer is when the market starts to trend, guys and gals, it will just trend for what appears to be forever. Right? Case in point, what you're seeing on the screen right now is today's price action chart of the market. This is the S&P 500 global benchmark, but I'm telling you guys, every symbol looked the same. The NASDAQ looked like this, the Dow looked like this, oil, Russell, gold. It was on fire today, right? And what you're seeing overlaid on top of the chart is our proprietary volume indicator. This is a green and red color band that you overlay on top of the price that will potentially help you figure out the starting point of a trend. What does that mean? Well, if I comb back and show you, right, the starting point as we transitioned from red into green, right, that actually happened right over here from the previous session. Okay, now as you know, the futures markets and Forex markets, there is no quote-unquote session. This is a 24-hour global trading world that we live in. The markets do not have any transition day to day. All you have to focus on is, did a new trend start? And if a new trend started, how do I play it? Right? I'm going to show that to you right now. But case in point, let's be honest, let's be real. The trend, this crazy bullish run that took place today, technically happened in the previous session right on this bar, right? So right here, we turned green. That's pretty obvious. And we stayed green into today's session, right? So let me go ahead and fit this back to scale here. What I want to timestamp for you is 7 o'clock in the morning. This is when I like to be at my computer. And I'm going to show you how to play a strong trend even if you're late to the party, okay? And a lot of you guys and gals know what's coming next, right? When a strong trend is underway, okay, in my humble opinion, you guys and gals have only one option. This is your only option to play a strong trend. And what you have to do when you are looking at this volume indicator is you have to try to find these pockets right here called retracements. Okay? And look, guys, it's not complicated. You do not need to be a brain surgeon. You don't have to have a degree in applied mathematics to figure out this pattern. I'm going to show you how you can identify this pattern almost every day on your own, and I can almost guarantee you, you're going to be shocked at how powerful this trading pattern actually is, okay? So let me first educate you on what is a retracement, right? A retracement is any area in the market where the price comes back underneath the volume color band indicator, like it did today at this exact moment in time at 9:53 a.m. You with me? And so when you see the market come back down underneath the color band, you should be on high alert, right? Because what you're waiting for is an opportunity to jump on this train, right? Before the train leaves the station a second time, okay? And how do you do that? What are the specifics? Well, guys and gals, it's super easy. All you have to do is wait for one of these, okay? And that is a green bar. Hold on, let me go ahead and zoom in here, all right? Let me get you guys really dialed in here. What you got to look for is a green reversal bar that closes within the context of a retracement, and this bar, okay, has to be underneath the color band. Cannot be in the middle of the band, can't be above the band. It's got to be, if you're looking for longs, it's got to be underneath the color band. Case in point, this bar over here does not meet our criteria. This is not a retracement bar. Whereas this one here that I've highlighted most definitely meets our criteria. Okay, so once you see this pattern, guys and gals, you should start drooling. You should start salivating and rubbing your hands together looking for this opportunity, because what I like to do when this bar closes and I spot this pattern, I immediately look to go long the open of the next bar. I look to place my stop loss 1 or 2 ticks under the signal bar's low, and I just wait. I wait for the train to leave the station, okay? And if I go ahead and fit this back to scale, show you how this trade played out, well, you guys know how this trade played out, right? We caught this long signal at exactly 9:53 a.m. today, and this thing ripped hard for almost 150 ticks all freaking day. Right? Just think about that, guys. 150 potential ticks, or pips if you follow along in Forex. All right. And you know what else I was doing today? I was laughing at all those other goofy retail traders who were using their candlesticks and their Bollinger Bands. This chart is just a freaking disaster. How on earth, I mean it, how on earth do you think you're going to identify the starting point of a trend? How on earth do you think you're going to spot a retracement? Well, you can't. And that's why I continue to believe that anybody who still uses, and I mean like intentionally, voluntarily uses these garbage indicator charts, well, shame on you, right? Because I would be ashamed of using these candlestick indicator garbage charts. Look, guys, something you got to decide, all right, for yourselves is, do you even want to trade the market, right? Do you have the passion? Do you have the hunger and the drive to trade and speculate in the market? Does it bring you joy? Or are you like most amateurs and, you're looking at these charts, you're stressed out, you're anxious, you're tense every trading day, right? You contrast this garbage chart with what I consider to be a professional chart. I mean, guys, it's night and day different. Right? Now look, you don't know for sure if the market's going to rip hard like it did today. Nobody knows. But you have to, at least, in my opinion, put yourself in a position to succeed. You've got to find a way to put the odds in your favor in order to catch that winning trade. And today at 9:53 in the morning, we caught it. We caught the perfect freaking trade. This is how it's done, ladies and gentlemen. I warned you that the volatility from last year wasn't going anywhere. There were always going to be incredible trading opportunities this month. Congrats to all my customers who did catch this trade, especially if you were new and you recently onboarded the software. I'm absolutely thrilled that you crushed it in today's morning session, and I can't wait to see if we're going to get it again tomorrow. Guys, that'll do it for this video. If you'd like to get your hands on this powerful volume indicator, then get in touch, call, text, email, whatever's convenient, and I'd be happy to hook you up with a free one-on-one demo, really show you how this volume indicator is going to supercharge your trading. Guys, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next trade.